So EAM's our enterprise asset management system. It allows our customers to track unlimited assets of any type. So that includes spatial assets like point assets. So that could be hydrants, street signs, linear assets, which can be streets, guardrails, pipe, boundary assets, which could be things like parks, parcels, facilities, and then of course, fleet and equipment management. Let's say I'm, a parks technician, I get a report that I've got to go fix something in one of the restrooms. So on my way there, I see that there's a down street sign. Well, I don't deal with street signs, I deal with parks. I can pull up my app, I can submit a service request by placing a pin on a map, sending it to the sign shop. Once I'm done, maybe I'm driving back now to my shop location and I have a breakdown. Well, now I can open up that same app, same service request process, and I can now submit an issue with my vehicle and that goes to the fleet shop. So it's one system fully integrated, and then other pieces to that too, because it's one database, reporting is easier. You don't have to have external connections or unnecessary because all the data is in one place.